गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं शम्भो मनांसि जानता शम्भो मनांसि जानता देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे सञ्जानाना उपासते सञ्जानाना उपासते सञ्जानाना उपासते सञ्जानाना उपासते सञ्जानाना उपासते.
The first asana is Pranamasana. This asana helps in reducing stress, anxiety, and brings mental peace. It improves focus, enhances body balance, and improves posture. The second asana is Ustrasana. This asana strengthens and stretches the spine and improves overall back flexibility. It releases tension from neck, shoulders, and upper back. The backward bend massages the abdominal organs and improves digestion. The third asana is Baddha Parighasana. This asana gives a deep stretch to the side waist, ribs, and increases mobility and flexibility of the spine. It enhances body balance. Holding the posture improves stability and stimulates abdominal organs for better digestion. The fourth asana is Garbhapindasana. This posture enhances blood circulation, particularly in the pelvic region and lower limbs. It helps in relaxing and strengthens the spine. It increases core strength and improves the flexibility and regulates the adrenal gland. The fifth asana is Kurmasana. This asana tones all the organs of the abdomen and is helpful in the treatment of disorders such as diabetes. It increases circulation in the spine, soothing the nerves and relieving head and neck ache. The sixth asana is Dhanurakarshan Asana. This is an excellent asana for loosening the hip joints and making the legs supple, relieves arm and joint pain. It strengthens and stretches shoulders, chest, back, waist and thighs. The seventh asana is Ardha Matsyendrasana. This asana enhances oxygen supply to the lungs and helps with respiratory issues like bronchitis and asthma. It helps in urinary tract disorder, management of diabetes and cervical spondylitis. You can see our students are performing each posture with grace, balance and coordination. The eighth asana is Murthasana. The inverted nature of the pose sends more blood to the brain, which can improve cognitive function and oxygenation. It is helpful for those suffering with low blood pressure. This asana improves the immune system and disease resistance. These asanas shows the discipline and focus that yoga brings into our lives. Now, the students are going to present some artistic yoga formations with the help of different yogasanas. You can see our students are performing each posture with grace, balance, and coordination.
शांत लहर सी बहती हर गति मन को देती है मधुर शांति। आज की प्रस्तुति में योग का सार दिखा आपका समर्पण अपार। हर आसन में अनुशासन की चमक थी, हर मुद्रा में सौम्यता की दमक थी। देह और मन सुंदर मेल, सबका ध्यान हृदय तक खींच